When it comes to RV repair and upgrades, many RV owners wonder, can I fix my RV myself? Hello, I'm Stephen Holmes, Director of Service Operations for Keystone RV Company. We know your time is valuable, and we understand the cost associated with bringing your travel trailer or your fifth wheel to your dealership for repairs. That's why, as a manufacturer, we're sharing our RV Pro tips in a series of DIY RV videos for those of you that might want to tackle the simple stuff yourself. Remember to always use caution, and if at any time you are uncomfortable, please stop what you're doing and schedule an appointment with your authorized dealership. Even more importantly, never work on any safety-related items.
Hello, I'm Bart Taylor, bringing you another RV Pro Tip DIY video. Today we have a video from a viewer request on roller shade adjustments. We've taken a shade down to show you the two adjustments available. We have a stop adjustment with the clear wheels, and we have a speed adjustment with the black wheels. These adjustments can be made while still installed. We took that down for your convenience to show you these adjustments. On the stop adjustment, you simply turn the adjusting wheel to the right or to the left to adjust the level that you want the shade to stop at when it's in the up position. And then when you roll your shade down and roll your shade back up, it stops where you set it. On the speed adjustment, you turn the knob clockwise, and this will allow the shade to go up quicker for you. Or you can go counterclockwise and slow it down as you prefer. Okay, with our shade installed, you can make your adjustments without taking the shade assembly down. You can reach up to the right to access the stop adjustment, and then you can reach up to the left for the speed adjustment with the shade installed. If you have a request for a DIY video you'd like to see, leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.